Flash flood warning for the following counties in California.
EAS got flash flood warning. Why didn't this one get it?
Flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego.
Riverside and San Diego.
Very heavy rain across the board.
This one didn't get it.
Flash flood warning in Southern California, North Central San Diego County, and Southwestern California until 4 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Temecula, Hemet, Valley Center, Murrieta, Hui 79 between Oak Grove and Agenga, Hui 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, Hui 79 between Santa Isabel and Warner Springs, Lake Henshaw, Palomar Mountain State Park, S7, East Grade Road, Agenga, and Palomar Mountain.
Listerine Total Care strengthens teeth, helps prevent cavities, and restores tooth enamel. It's an easy way to get Listerine Total
Flash flood warning for the following counties
That's on the TV.
in California, Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash.
We caught a flash flood warning.
Riverside County in Southern California, North Central San Diego County in Southwestern California until 4 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding will likely begin shortly. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Temecula, Hemet, Valley Center, Murrieta, Hui 79 between Oak Grove and Agenga, Hui 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, Hui 79 between Santa Isabel and Warner Springs, Lake Henshaw, Palomar Mountain State Park, S7, East Grade Road, Agenga, and Palomar Mountain.
Alright guys, that was a flash flood warning caught on NOAA Weather Radio. Unfortunately, this one didn't get it because this room doesn't have good connection. I got on 92.7 on the thing, and Days of Our Lives is on. And Bowser has something to say. Oh, come on! Why must you interrupt my soap opera? Anyways, I'll be going now. See you in the next EAS video for today.